Hey guys, if you're accounting or a bookkeeper, this video is for you because I'm going to show you how our AI agent can help you grow your business and maximize your time. So if you're ready, let's begin. On this video, I'm so excited to show you the flow, the step-by-step process, how our AI agent can work for you 24/7. So the first one is I'm going to call as a customer, and the AI will qualify me as the leads. What's the purpose of the call? And then once able to establish or qualify the leads, the AI will gather the basic information of a customer, such as name, email, and phone number. And the last one is the AI will send a booking link wherein I, as a customer for this demo, I'm going to click that link, and after clicking the link, it will redirect it to a online forms. The online forms will be have several questions wherein I can download or upload some information so that you as a bookkeeper, you as an accountant, you can now work, you can now process the applications beforehand. Or this is to minimize the interactions of you and your customers because all the information you needed to file and submit tax will be already provided to you beforehand. So this is the concept that we're going to establish on this video. If you're ready, let's begin. So the first thing is I'm going to dial our AI number. It's 902 813 4141. And if you're watching this and you want to try this firsthand, you can dial this number 902-813-4141, and our AI will able to qualify you as a lead. And of course, there will be a basic questions about accounting. So this is ideal for accounting. If you are not in accounting industry or you are not a bookkeeper, let me know in the comment section and I can show you some AI automations that we created for different industries. So we are not just doing accounting or bookkeeping, we're doing a lot of services using the AI. So just in case you're watching this video, you are not accounting, you are not a bookkeeper, but you want to have an AI, let me know in the comment section. I'm so happy to demo this and show this to you. But anyway, as I mentioned, we will do some role play. I am the customer, the AI will qualify me as a lead. Second, gather the information. Third, the AI will send me a booking link wherein I can sign in or book an appointment with my accountant. Let's ready. So the first one is dial the number, click the link, click the call, and it's calling right now.
Thank you for calling One Accounting Office. Tanya,
Hi, Tanya. Is this a bookkeeping office? I'm not sure.
this is One Accounting Office. We handle personal and corporate tax services. How can I assist you today?
Are you located in Nova Scotia by any chance?
Yes, our main office is located in Nova Scotia. Is there anything specific you need help with?
Awesome. I own a business and I need to submit my corporate tax.
Certainly. Would you like to submit your tax documents online, or do you prefer an in-person appointment?
Oh yeah. It's a good question. I probably do online. Is it possible?
Absolutely. We can help with. Could I have your name, please?
Yeah, my name is Joey Moreno.
Joey. Can I confirm the best phone number to reach you?
Yeah, my number 902-907-4005.
Just to make sure I've got it right, your phone number is 902-907-4005.
That's correct.
Correct?
That's correct. Yeah.
Thank you for confirming. Would it be okay if we send the online form to your phone via SMS?
Yeah, sure. You can send what sorry, what do you mean? You're going to send a link through my SMS?
Yes. Great. We'll send a link to your phone. Is that okay with you?
Absolutely. Yeah, send the link. And what will be my next step?
You're sending the form now. Please fill it out and our team will contact you shortly. Send a link to your phone. Just fill out the form and upload your documents. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Is there anything else I can assist you with today?
I think that's good. So I will just book an appointment to talk to one of your staff, right?
Yes, that's right. Once you submit the form, our team will reach out to schedule a time to discuss your corporate path. Thank you for reaching out.
Uh,
Before we end this call, feel free to visit our website at oneaccounting.com for updates and resources. Have a great day.
oh, thank you. So as you can see here, the first thing is my AI able to qualify me as a customer by asking what is your purpose of call. I say corporate tax. But before that, I asked the AI, hey, where you're located? These are the basic questions. So where you're located, do you do this and this, right? So those are the basic questions, the frequently asked questions. So the AI can answer those questions and then go back to the purpose of call. What do you want? Do you want to file a personal tax or a corporate tax? If I say corporate tax, the AI will send the link. But before sending the link, the AI makes sure to gather the lead information such as name, email, and phone number. So you as a business owner, you get those informations, especially the phone number, then you can directly call them. Hey, we received your call. You need this. You need a corporate tax. And you didn't book an appointment, but here we are. I'm calling you back, right? So you have the opportunity to call back because the AI able to gather that information. And that's the features of our AI agent. So just imagine this, your AI agent is working for you 24/7. So even you're sleeping, you're busy working with your business, or probably you are in the meeting, the AI can answer those calls, qualify the leads, gather the right information, and send a booking link. So just imagine the time that you can save with using our AI agent. Just in case you don't have this system or you are interested, let me know in the comment section and I'm happy to assist you. Now, there are several questions that I received in our community regarding the back end. What happened in the back end? It means that do we have the opportunity, number one, to see the transcript? Can we see how many people call? And what will happen to the booking link? Is there an automation that is sending in reminders? Is there an online form that I can see all the files of the customers? So this is the amazing software or tools that we use for our client. Let's go log in first our account. By the way, if you don't have an account yet with us, you can click the link on the description below. So click settings, go to the voice AI, and then select the voice AI agent. Go to dashboard and logs. You'll see there's a summary of the calls and the trigger. Scroll down, this will be the summary of your call. And speaking of summary, we can check also the summary of call so that you have idea what is the message all about. And you can read so the message, the questions, and the answer of the AI. Example, hello, thank you for calling One Accounting Office. This is Tanya. How can I help you? Hi, Tanya. Is this a booking office? I'm not sure. Yes, this is One Accounting Office. So this is a transcript, right? Now, so if we click this, my name or your customer's name, for example, I'm going to click this, it will be redirected to this contact page. This contact page is like a CRM wherein everything is already in this page. So you will see the information on the left side. On the left side, you will see the first name, the last name in the email address. In the middle, you will see all the email and the conversations that you have with your business. Let's say, for example, they send you a text message, you send an email, so everything will be here. And you can also send a manual email here if you want to email them. Or on the left side, you will see here, this is the best thing. Go to the notes section and you will see here the summary of the agent AI transaction. So just imagine this, there will be time lag. This is how long is the message, the summary, and the phone number. And just in case you want to book an appointment with this customer, you can simply click add and book an appointment here. So just imagine this the AI able to gather an information, and the AI integrated this customer to your CRM. So just imagine this. The AI able to gather the informations of your customers and also updated your CRM. So you're able to see the updated CRM of your customers. And the last thing, AI send the booking calendar, right? And the booking calendar, we already set up an automation reminder. So I'm going to go to my calendar. This is my personal calendar. This is my personal calendar. Go to the notifications. So we have also the notification and additional options section here. And go to the reminder. In the reminder, you will be notified and your customer as well. Contact means your customer will be notified 10 minutes, 24 hours, or 48 hours before the appointment. And you as the user or the business owner, just click this one. You will be notified as well 10 minutes, 30 minutes, 24 hours before the appointment. And here's the message, right? So this is a very straightforward. So just imagine this. Customer call you in the middle of the night, the AI answered the phone. AI qualify the leads, answer frequently asked questions, and then gather the right information. So the AI able to get the name, phone number, and email, and the AI will update the CRM, your customer relationship management. Now the AI will send a booking calendar, and if the customer book an appointment, the AI will notify and remind your customer. And aside from that, the AI will also notify and remind you as well. So that's the power of AI system that we created for my business and for my clients. And if you're interested to learn more about this, simply go to our bio, and we're so happy to have you on our free webinar. Thank you very much, and signing out.